In this video, we will take you through your pupil dashboard on Reading Plus. When you finish the InSight assessment, you will be taken to your pupil dashboard. This is what you'll see from now on when you log into Reading Plus. You can customise your dashboard with different avatars and wallpapers. The more stories you read, the more avatars you collect. On your dashboard, you can see the progress you are making with your reading and how many lessons you need to complete each week. You can even see messages that your teacher might send you from time to time. Your dashboard is where you begin your reading and vocabulary lessons. You might also have visual skills lessons if your teacher thinks you need them. To start your first reading lesson, click Start Lessons at the top of your dashboard. On your very first reading lesson, you will watch a short video. This will explain what you need to do. When you have finished the lesson, a tick will appear in the lesson box. Pay attention to the colour of the tick, as this tells you how well you scored. If the tick is green, this means you've hit your target of 80% or above. If it's amber, it means you have scored between 70 and 79%, and red means that you have scored below 70%. Remember to aim for green each time.